How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troyce here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make keto rolls from scratch. I'm gonna show you how to make these, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. All right, so keto rolls. I'm gonna show you how to make these right now. All right, let's start off with our dry ingredients. 1 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of psyllium husk, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot starch, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And mix until combined. Now to add the wet ingredients. Alright, so we have 1 cup of hot water, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 2 eggs. And mix until combined. Alright, so let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're going to transfer it onto a sheet lined with parchment paper. We have our pan here with parchment paper. Alright, with some wet hands, let's just try to mold the dough into a nice ball. Alright, the last thing we're going to do is sprinkle with some sesame seeds on top. Perfect. And we're going to place this into the oven, preheating at 375 degrees for approximately 45 minutes. Alright, 45 minutes later, and look at these rolls. Absolutely incredible. So before slicing these, we're going to allow these to cool for approximately 1 hour. Alright, take a look at these bread rolls. They look absolutely amazing. And they're soft to touch. And they're just a solid roll. Look at this. Let's break one open and see. Take a look at that roll. Absolutely amazing. Real bread. Now for a taste test. Alright, keto rolls. Take a look at these. I can't wait to try these. Let me slice it in half. They look incredible, by the way. Look at that. Looks just like real bread. Just like real bread. These are good. Tastes just like real bread. The consistency is on point. The texture, it's crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. These are good. This is the perfect vessel for you to make a sandwich with now, or a burger. Absolutely delicious. At about 2 net carbs per roll, you can't go wrong. These will go great with some butter as well. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 recipes I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're going to enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your day. Matt Troyce signing out.